I'm Agness. My district is California 12. I've actually been living here in Tokyo for 2 months, but prior to that I've lived here before, as well as the United States, Canada, New Zealand, and a variety of other places. But today what I want to do is talk to you about something called Ningen Doku, which translates to human doc. And you may not have heard about this, but this is a particular kind of a service they offer in Japan. It's offered in general hospitals, small clinics, and even specialty human doc only places. And it's actually short for human dry dock. If those of you who are into shipping or ships in general might know this term, but it's when you take a ship, put it in a dry dock as opposed to a wet dock to check over everything, to see if there's any need for repairs. Basically, the human doc does that for people. And I actually had a basic human doc done about 2.5 years ago because my health was pretty much destroyed. And I got everything done except for neurological and OBGYN. And what I got for something like American 420s was an intensive battery of tests done on every part of my body, from my eyeballs to, well, soles of my feet, I guess. And one of the interesting things I actually found was that I have a heart condition which has gone undiagnosed for about 30 years, and that actually explains a lot of problems I've had over the years. Now, the great thing about this particular service is that you don't need a referral. If you do get a referral, it's covered by the National Health Insurance Plan, but I chose to just do it on my own. So I paid the full price, which, as I mentioned, is $420, which ironically actually comes to exactly what I had to pay to get a pair of glasses once in the United States, which is scary. Now, something I really like about the human doc is that it really puts me in control of my own health and wellness management. I don't have to go to the doctor with a vague complaint about being short of breath or feeling sick when I get up in the morning. I can just get this test done and see what it pops up. My father did a neurological doc actually about 6 months back because we thought maybe he'd had a stroke because he was acting a little bit weird, and it just turned out to be him, which is a relief. But for about $250, he actually got a full CAT and PET scan done, and turned out he was actually in great shape, brain-wise. So these are the kinds of things that really set our mind at ease, whether you're going through a particular life change, like menopause, or in his case, just getting old, or in my case, that I'm in my 30s and I've had some health problems that I need taken care of. And this is something that I really wish were even an option in the U.S. And I think it's a service that Americans would actually really enjoy and may even save the system a lot of money down the line. So that's what I wanted to tell you about today, and thank you for listening to me rant.